Also the mango.
Alright, it didn't turn now then, yeah. Now I see.
Continue.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the strawberry gelatin.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we mix.
Let's mix it.
It's looking a halo-halo. And the sado-sado guys. Then already for mix the all fruits. So we put the Nestle cream. Again.
Mix it again.
And then put over again the condensed milk.
Yeah.
And we put the small can evaporada or evaporate milk for additional the very simple fruit salad guys.
Yeah.
Okay guys, done already. So next making very simple fruit salad. It's looking good guys, look.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That looks good. I think.
Again.
Mix it again.
So guys, no need to put again the disposable Tupperware. It's because it's already.
Yeah.
So,
It's almost like a bucket.
so guys, done already for making very simple fruit salad. But she's looking not a fruit salad. It's looking halo-halo. Okay guys, let's taste.
I'm gonna taste it then.
Yeah. Oh, how should I taste it?
Delicious.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay guys, done already for making a very simple fruit salad. So guys, thank you for your watching. Bye.